Hey guys, so join me on the uh I'm trying to kind of clean up my MacBook a little bit because I've been using this so it's dirty. Yeah, so don't know what that is. I use it to just kind of pump in air and just blow out the dirt. And yeah, it's kind of I call I use it to clean up my dirt on my keyboard because it's been a lot of dirty and I don't need some disinfectant and probably it worked well though, but for some reason I still need to add a more run up to the screen, and I'm not really sure what I'm doing, but I think I'm doing something which is I'm not exactly sure, but I just hope it will win something because this is my camera gear actually, so I'm just using it to clean up my MacBook a little bit. So this is the I anti kind of I disinfectant. So there will be a little dirt on the trackbars and the keyboard and stuff like that. So I'm trying to clean it up nicely and easy. Still feel like adding more. I just hope I won't ruin my keyboard. So here's the best part. Here's the apple is made up of metallic or finishes on the other side. So trying to just make that shine up a little bit. For a reason, just keep on uh having some kind of glare over it. I won't be super smooth as I wanted it to be. It's kind of crazy for some reason. Mm, there's not a lot more going on here. Just kind of make it all a little bit more nicer and shinier, and just make it a little bit. And that is a MagSafe, which is handy because it easily come off, so you won't have to smash your laptop when you mistakenly cross the charger when plugged in or something like that. So that's one of the best features I have, which was smartest features the Apple ever added to the MacBook. So here's me texting my trackpad if everything's working properly because I'm just kind of scared that I haven't won the keyboard function by applying a lot of liquid over the surfaces and stuff like that, which is crazy in general. So I still feel like I need to do more. I can disinfect my hands and you know everything is all generally utilized and stuff like that. Crazy. Know what I'm saying? So gently apply this the aqua on my hand and just trying to put up some nice stickers to make my MacBook look a little bit of nice which is not the bad and crazy.